All right, on today's episode of How I'm Racing to an Early Grave, I've got the latest from Burger King. The spicy chicken fries. Now look at the box. It's the little bird, but he's angry because he's spicy. Now I like that. I'm not just kidding. That's adorable. Firing up your taste buds. Hot, hot, hot. Spicy chicken fries. Let's give them a shot. Got them with some ranch. So naturally they gave me honey mustard. There's the ranch. Also got onion rings. I saw some people had new ones that looked worse. Here's mine. They look the same. Same old whatever onion rings to me. Yippee. Let's go to a stupid selfie thumbnail to show how thrilled we are to try the new Burger King spicy chicken fries. Oh my god, look at them. Ah! I'm having a day. Fucking A. Let's give them a shot. What am I doing with my life? Hold on. Let's try again. Let's try that. Let's actually take a couple out. Let's take one out. Put the box back together. It's got to be just right for YouTube, right? It's all in art. Oh my god. There she is. Take a look. It's a chicken fry, but it's all red because it's spicy. Stupid selfie thumbnail. Okay. Why am I smelling it? Wasn't expecting to think these didn't taste good. That's a new one. I had other ideas of how this might go. But I don't think they're very good. The flavor is kind of a combination of bland and lacking with some spice. I mean, it's basically like an elongated version of their spicy chicken nuggets, which I'm assuming they don't have anymore. But they're not very good. Yeah, these kind of suck. I got mystery goop on the inside too. Who knows what that is? Should I try it? Should I try the mystery goop? Let's try the mystery goop. Mystery goop. I don't know what that is. I regret tasting it now. There's the real review. Mystery goop, a 0 out of 10. The chicken fries, I mean, let's try them with the ranch. I'm gonna let you know a secret. That's gonna make them better because it's ranch. I got mystery goop all over me. Oh, it's on the other side too. Where'd the mystery goop come from? What is the mystery goop? Ew. Okay, ranch. Hope it doesn't spooge me. There we go. All right. We dip in the ranch. And a little fun time there. I had some ranch from McDonald's the other day. Pretty good. Ranch from Burger King? Not great. Nothing's great here. So, 9 of these things, 9 piece? I think so. Was $4. Might have been 8 piece, I don't know. It was like $4. It was like 30 cents more than the non-spicy ones. So, you know, You gotta pay if you want that spice. I think they're limited time. I don't know. I don't know how long they'll be around for. They're really not that good. I'm not gonna get them again. I'm supposed to get Chipotle today. It says they have the new chicken al pastor, right? Al pastor? I assume it's like al pastor. There's some way I'm not saying it right because I'm as white as it gets. But yeah, my locations, none of the Charlotte locations have it on the menu. I even called the one. They're like, oh yeah, it got pushed back to Thursday. Pushed back to Thursday? It's all over your website. I looked up a store up in Rochester where I'm from. They've got it. So why can't mine have it? I don't know, guys. These people. These spicy chicken fries. I guess if you're some weird person who regularly goes to Burger King and eats the chicken fries, like if that's your jam and you want them spicier, you're in heaven. Spicy chicken heaven. Spicy, cheap, processed chicken friggin' whatever the hell these are. Heaven. Go get them. For everyone else, continue not bothering. Don't do this to yourself. Also, $4. I mean, it's only 250 calories of mostly processed spicy garbage. Don't do it. Just don't. It's not good. This isn't good. I want to stress that. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.